This is a train kiddie ride by the unknown company.
Please insert additional coin. Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended while riding the ride. Enjoy the ride.
This thing is refurbished by 𝕚𝕚𝕕𝕤, and this song is called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star by Larry Grouse. As you can see here, the paint on this part may be dried out or it just got the wrong paint. Here's another part that is probably dried out. Oh, that's it? I'll give it another go. Okay, here we go.
Please insert additional coin. Attention parents, please do not leave your child unattended.
I don't know what are these buttons for.
Enjoy the ride, kids.
There's a siren light here. And that was the train kiddie ride by the unknown company, which is somehow refurbished by 𝕚𝕚𝕕𝕤.